finally made it to Colorado. If you notice, I'm bundled up just a little bit here. We had our plans detoured just a little bit. We are staying here at a Bass Pro parking lot because we have just a little bit of snow here. So I'm going to turn this around and show you guys. How beautiful is that? I'm not going to talk to you guys a whole lot out here because it is super windy unless I'm right up against the RV. It's nothing but wind, but we just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know where we're at. We're going to try to thaw out here. We're in Colorado Springs at the Bass Pro Shop here. And like I said, there's a little snow, but at least it's a beautiful view, right? So we know it's a little windy, but we had to have something delivered, and we decided to use the Amazon locker to have it delivered. So here, picking that up.
Yay! Alright guys, well we are here at the Bass Pro Shop, and sorry for the barking.
That is not being a good girl. Phoebe.
But it's practice day for the Thunderbirds, the Air Force Thunderbirds. So Tonya has the best seat in the house because it's really cold outside right now. But yeah, she's getting some better video on her phone than we got with this camera. Yesterday they were surveying. There's graduation for the Air Force Thursday, I believe, and yesterday they were doing surveying. So there was like 10 F-15s or whatever they are out there flying around through the mountains. It was pretty awesome. We're gonna put that in here. I don't know if you'll be able to see all of it or not, but hopefully you can. But Tanya's video she's getting on her phone turned out really good.
Yeah, sitting here, I'm able to see pretty much everything that they're doing except for behind me. And I'm not quite as cold as they are standing out there. It's pretty cool stuff though to see. People have been out here for how long? 2.5 hours waiting.
But anyway, this one's go ahead. All right, well, we finally made it to our spot out here on 31 outside Colorado Springs. We're in between Tioga and Lake George, Colorado. It's really beautiful out here, but this is the very first spot we ever camped together. Boondocked, yeah. When we had our travel trailer, and our my dad was with us still. It was right after we left here when he passed away, shortly after we left here. But we'll show you around here a little bit. This is nothing but trees and a little bit open land and mountains, because we're right kind of in the middle of a bunch of mountains. So
yeah, there is no hookups, no water, no nothing. This is 100% boondocking.
I'll give the camera to Tonya here and let her show you around.
This is our spot here. There's Badger Mountain, and
that's Tioga up that way by the mountains.
And I don't know if you guys can really see it, but there's a teeny tiny touch of a little bit of snow on the top, but it is almost 100% gone.
If you look at this road, this is one of the side roads here. That's the main road. That's 31 right there. When we come in here, it was washboard really bad, but they ran a grader out there for 2 days, so I'm expecting it's going to be pretty nice when we leave here.
Yeah. One thing's for sure, since we've been out here, the weather has been unpredictable, to say the least. We've had sleet, rain. It's rained a little bit every day, maybe like, even if it's just 5 minutes, but it's rained here and there. It's been overcast.
Before we got here, because there was 6 inches of snow at Bass Pro.
Yeah, there was 6 inches of snow at Bass Pro a couple days before we got here, but when the sun's out, it is absolutely beautiful. It's warm, even on a 60-degree day when I would normally be chilly. With the sun out here, it feels great. Okay guys, so we left Colorado, Lake George area. We stayed at County Road 31. We left there and now we are at a Home Depot. We're gonna stay the night here. Tomorrow we've got some mail to pick up. We got some medicine for the dogs to pick up and we'll be out of this area. But right now we're in Monument, Colorado, and there's a Walmart and there's a Home Depot, a Kohl's, and all of that kind of in this area. And it's a really pretty scenic overlook right here. And there's a really nice, big, huge clock in front that I'll show you guys. But not a bad view for a parking lot night, for lot docking, I guess you could say. But anyway, we had a great time at Lake George. We really enjoyed ourselves. Saying Lake George, we didn't go to the lake. It was really still pretty chilly out there, but we had a great time. Brought back a lot of good memories from when we first started, so it was nice. We really enjoyed it. Like I said, the first couple days we were there was a lot of dirt bikes and that kind of stuff going by, but man, Monday through Friday when we were there, complete silence. We were by ourselves 100%. It was so nice. But we'll definitely share the GPS coordinates with you guys so you guys can check out that beautiful spot. I mean, you guys will love it. When I say like boondocking, it is beautiful scenery. I think you guys will like it as much as we do. So this is just the scenic overlook. We can walk out there and see the mountains, all the pretty houses over there. Look guys, I'm barely tall. I'm barely tall enough to reach over the overlook. I don't know about you guys, but I could soak those mountains up all day long. So pretty. Again, we're at the Home Depot right over here, and we're in the front part of the parking lot. It's where we're parked, kind of where all their delivery trucks and stuff park, so we're pretty inconspicuous out of the way. Okay guys, well that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed Colorado, Lake George, County Road 31 as much as we did. We are going to pick up our mail tomorrow in Monument. We're having it delivered to the post office there. I just called ahead and made sure that it was okay. So we're going to get that picked up, and then we're going on to a new direction. I'm sure we'll still be in Colorado, but just not sure where yet. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to check out that social media. Bye, guys.